Here's a Nintendo Switch OLED. I'm going to show you how to use the voice chat when you're playing Fortnite. Now really quickly, now take note, the Nintendo Switch doesn't have a built-in mic. It only has a speaker, okay? So I'm currently in a party here, and I'm on my other account using my PS5, okay? Now the PS5 controller has a mic and a speaker on here. So if I whisper in here, it's coming out of here. The only thing is there's no mic here, so the other person can't hear me. So in order for the other person to hear me through here, we have to use like an external mic. So here's a pair of headphones with a mic. It's wired. I use this one on my Switch, on my Xbox, as well as my PS5. It all works, okay? And it's inexpensive. I'll put a link below. But anyway, from here, we're going to go ahead and connect this. Just like that. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the plus here. And this window will pop up. And what I want to do is just go down to the mic right there, that little tiny microphone. So let me go down right here. And then you can see voice method. Let me go down now. Oops. Let me go down here. Oops. So right now I have it on open mic right here, but you can change that. Okay, you can change it to push to talk, mute. I usually leave mine on open mic. And then go down here to voice chat, and you can do friends only, or you can do friends and teammates, everybody, or mute. I typically leave it on friends only or friends and teammates, okay? So everything looks good here, all right? So this is all plugged in. So now we're connected. So when the other guy talks, hey, can you guys hear me on here? Now the audio is coming out of the headphones. Now if I want to speak, watch. Hey, can you guys hear me now? So the audio is coming out from the other guy's PS5. So with the headphones, there you go. Now you can do voice chat with the mic on here. Pretty simple.